Domino's Pizza, the world's #1 pizza brand. You've probably ordered it at least once in your life, right? But here's the big question. What if instead of eating Domino's, you owned a Domino's franchise? How much would it cost? How much profit can you make every single month? And is it really worth the investment? Stay with me, because in this video, we'll break down Domino's Pizza franchise investment, profit, advantages, risks, and whether it's the right choice for you in 2025. Domino's Pizza started back in 1960 in Michigan, USA. From just one small store, it has now grown into a global giant with more than 20,000 stores in over 90 countries. Every single day, Domino's sells around 3 million pizzas worldwide. What makes Domino's different? Speed, consistency, and trust. Their delivery model is the strongest in the fast food industry, and that's why Domino's is often the first choice when people think of ordering pizza at home. Now, let's talk about money. If you want to own a Domino's franchise in the USA, here are the costs. Franchise fee, $10,000 to $25,000. Total initial investment, $100,000 to $600,000, depending on the location, size, and equipment. Royalty fee, 5.5% of sales. Marketing fee, 4% of sales. So, in simple words, if you invest around $300,000, you can open a fully functional Domino's store in a good location. Domino's is considered a medium investment franchise in the USA compared to brands like McDonald's or KFC, but it still requires serious capital. Now, let's get to the part that excites everyone: profit. On average, monthly sales for a Domino's store in the US are between $40,000 and $60,000. After paying royalties, marketing, rent, staff salaries, and ingredient costs, the average net profit margin is between 15 and 20%. That means a Domino's franchise owner can expect to make around $6,000 to $12,000 profit per month. Some top-performing locations in busy cities make even more, sometimes $15,000 or more per month. But those cases depend heavily on location and management. So why do entrepreneurs choose Domino's? Strong brand power. Domino's is a household name. Delivery focus. Most orders come through delivery and online apps, so you don't need a huge dine-in space. Training and support. Domino's provides full training and operational support. Customer loyalty. People who love Domino's keep coming back. Proven business model. It has worked successfully in thousands of US locations. But every business has challenges. Here are the risks with Domino's. High investment. You need hundreds of thousands of dollars. Ongoing fees. 9 to 10% of your sales go to royalties and marketing. Competition. Pizza Hut, Papa John's, Little Caesars, and even local pizza shops compete strongly. Strict rules. You must follow Domino's system. There's little room for your own creativity. Location dependence. A poor location can drastically lower your sales. So, who is Domino's right for? Investors with strong capital. Entrepreneurs who want a safe and proven model. People looking for steady monthly income instead of quick profits. Those who believe in long-term business growth. In conclusion, Domino's Pizza is one of the most powerful franchise opportunities in the United States. The investment is high, but the reward is steady, predictable income and a trusted global brand behind you. If you're serious about the food business and have the required capital, Domino's can be a safe long-term bet. Now, what do you think? Would you invest in a Domino's franchise in the US, or would you prefer starting your own brand from scratch? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update about profitable business ideas.